Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. Today is day number 26. Now you can still remember you can still go back to day number 1 and come through to day number 26. Today's video is about agwok. Agwok. Agwok means dog-like and sometimes it's derogative. Agwok. Agwok. The second word of the day is aguyo or oguyo, and some people say aguyo and then they say oguyo. So aguyo is a moth or a butterfly, aguyo or oguyo, and you can repeat aguyo but it is not necessary. The third word of the day is agwambo or magwambo. Agwambo, magwambo. That is homicide. Otimo agwambo. He's committed murder. En ja agwambo. He is a murderer. Otimo agwambo. Murderer. Now, agwambo is a central Nyanza, but in South Nyanza they say magwambo. Agwata. Agwata. That's a gourd or a calabash. Agwata. If there are many, you say agwetni. Agwetni. So before the advent of cups, we used agwata for drinking water and for drinking porridge. Agwambo. Oh, sorry. Agwata. Now, the fifth word of the day is agwenya. Agwenya. That's slanting at an angle. Agwenya. Baoni odongo agwenya. So this tree is slanting, growing while slanting at an angle. Baoni odongo agwenya. Agwenya. Great. And that's it for today's word of the day. Make sure you visit this channel tomorrow for more videos. Otherwise, Oriti. Bye-bye.